Ever found yourself staring blankly at your phone, locked out of Venmo, all because your password decided to take an unscheduled vacation from your memory? You're not alone. It happens to the best of us. In today's fast-paced digital world, juggling multiple passwords can feel like an Olympic sport. But don't worry, getting back into your Venmo account is probably easier than remembering where you put your keys. Think about it. Venmo is where you connect with friends, split that dinner bill, send birthday money, and maybe even snag some cool finds from your favorite creators. Being locked out can feel like being cut off from your social and financial lifeblood. The little anxiety pangs start to creep in. Will I miss out on that group gift? Can I still pay back my friend for those concert tickets? Before you descend into a spiral of password guessing despair, take a deep breath. Venmo has a straightforward process for resetting your password, designed to get you back in action quickly and securely. This isn't some complicated tech labyrinth, it's a well-marked path. In this video, we're going to walk you through that path, step by step, ensuring you can confidently regain access to your Venmo account. We'll cover all the bases, whether you're using the mobile app on your phone or accessing Venmo through a web browser on your computer. No confusing jargon, just clear, easy-to-follow instructions. So, grab your phone or sit down at your computer, and let's get that password reset. Resetting your Venmo password via the mobile app. Most of us primarily use Venmo on our smartphones, so let's start there. Here's how to reset your password using the Venmo mobile app. Open the Venmo app. The first step is the most obvious, but crucial. Locate the Venmo app icon on your phone. It's usually a blue icon with a white V, and tap to open it. The login screen. You'll likely be greeted by the login screen, prompting you for your email or phone number and your password. Since you're locked out, you'll need to look for an option that indicates you've forgotten your password. Tap Forgot Password directly below the password field, or sometimes in a slightly less prominent spot on the login screen. You should see a link that says something like Forgot Password or Need Help Signing In. Tap on this link. Enter your email or phone number. Venmo will now ask you to identify your account. You'll be prompted to enter either the email address or the phone number associated with your Venmo account. Make sure you enter the correct information that you used when you signed up. Choose your verification method. After entering your email or phone number, Venmo will present you with options to verify your identity. These options typically include email verification. If you choose this, Venmo will send a password reset link to the email address you provided. Phone number verification, SMS. If you choose this, Venmo will send a verification code via SMS to the phone number associated with your account. Follow the instructions based on your chosen method. Email verification. If you selected email verification, navigate to your email inbox on your phone or computer. Look for an email from Venmo with the subject line something like Reset Your Venmo Password or Venmo Password Reset Request. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided within. This link will usually take you to a secure page within the Venmo app or web browser where you can create a new password. Phone number verification, SMS. If you selected phone number verification, check your text messages for a message from Venmo containing a unique verification code. Go back to the Venmo app, and you'll be prompted to enter this code. Once you enter the correct code, you'll be taken to the screen where you can set a new password. Create a strong new password. This is a crucial step. When creating your new password, aim for something strong and unique. A good password typically includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birthday, or common words. The longer and more complex your password, the more secure your account will be. Confirm your new password. After entering your new password, you will usually be asked to enter it again in a Confirm Password field. This ensures that you've typed it correctly and that there are no typos. Password reset successful. Once you've successfully confirmed your new password, you should receive a confirmation message within the app. You should now be able to log into your Venmo account using your email or phone number and your newly created password. Resetting your Venmo password via a web browser. If you prefer to use a computer or are having trouble with the mobile app, you can also reset your Venmo password through a web browser. Go to the Venmo website, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc., and navigate to the official Venmo website, usually www.venmo.com. Click Sign In. On the Venmo homepage, you will typically find a Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on this button. Click Forgot Password. Just like on the mobile app, on the login page, you'll see a Forgot Password link, usually located below the password field. Click on this link. Enter your email or phone number. You'll be prompted to enter either the email address or the phone number associated with your Venmo account. Ensure you enter the correct information. Choose your verification method. Similar to the app, Venmo will offer you options to verify your identity, usually via email or SMS to your phone number. Select your preferred method. Follow the instructions based on your chosen method. Email verification. If you choose email verification, open your email inbox in a separate tab or window. Look for an email from Venmo with a password reset link. Click on this link. It will redirect you to a secure page on the Venmo website where you can enter your new password. Phone number verification, SMS. If you choose phone number verification, check your text messages for a verification code from Venmo. Go back to the Venmo website, and you'll be prompted to enter this code. Once you've entered it correctly, you'll be able to set your new password. Create and confirm your new password. On the password reset page, enter your desired new password in the designated field. Then, re-enter it in the Confirm New Password field to ensure accuracy. Remember to choose a strong and unique password. Save your new password. Once you've confirmed your new password, there will usually be a button to save or reset password. Click this button to finalize the process. Log in with your new password. You should now be able to log into your Venmo account on the website or through the mobile app using your email or phone number and your newly created password. Important security tips after resetting your password. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.